Today your STEM activity has to do with Kwanzaa. And we learned that Kwanzaa happens from December 26th to January 1st and mostly in the United States. Some of the symbols of Kwanzaa are a candle holder that holds 7 candles and it has a woven mat, a unity cup, crops, mainly corn and fruit, the flag, and gifts were some of the things that we learned about in our facts yesterday. Today your job is to be creating a unity cup. Dear students, your family is getting ready to celebrate Kwanzaa and you are missing your unity cup. You need to create a unity cup from whatever materials you have in your home. Please be creative and have fun. Here is an example of a unity cup that was created from a plastic cup and a toilet paper roll. That is just one example. I want you to be creative and come up with your own unity cup, create it, and after you do, I want you to upload a photo of the cup that you created right here. I can't wait to see what you come up with.